Did you know that gold was formed in the hearts of stars? That's right, and in this video I tell you. Scientists have conducted studies that can show that gold is created during stellar explosions. All the gold that exists on the planet is created in a neutron star and a supernova collide.
These events increase the temperature of stars to levels incredibly higher than that of our sun in our solar system.
Under these temperature conditions, an enormous amount of energy is generated, capable of fusing atoms of lighter elements such as iron, with atoms of other different elements, resulting in the appearance of precious metals.
Among precious metals, gold is one of the most sought after. It is one of the most valuable, a metal that is a sign of wealth and class.
It is worth mentioning that the content of this video is educational only. It is not investment advice or financial advice. No one from Chapin Mania will contact you in any way. So please be careful. Let's continue. Today, to obtain it, gold is extracted by grinding tons of rock.
Due to its unique properties, gold is the most malleable and ductile metal that exists. A single ounce of gold can be stretched into a wire more than 80 kilometers long, or flattened to form a sheet of 9 square meters. This incredible malleability makes it ideal for use in jewelry and industrial applications.
But have you ever wondered how gold got to Earth? After stellar explosions, gold dust disperses throughout the universe and eventually reaches Earth, becoming jewelry and wealth. According to studies, gold was deposited billions of years ago when meteorites bombarded the Earth.
Gold in molten rock was pushed up from the Earth's interior through natural events such as volcanic activity.
Over time it froze in the quartz veins, millions of years ago. Gold rush.
Everything that the meteorites brought to Earth was kept secret until the miners arrived, and the fever for this beautiful shining metal began.
For each golden dream to come true, mountains were moved and more metallic treasure was mined than anyone could imagine.
But gold cannot be mined or processed unless it is first discovered. The first step is to determine the location of the gold. Today, gold is mostly found inside rocks and particles so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. To locate it, there are modern tools such as electromagnetic sequences and metal detectors.
Important places where gold is mined. Gold has been found in various parts of the world. Some of the most notable locations include South Africa. Mponeng Gold Mine, the deepest gold mine in the world. USA. California, famous for the gold rush of 1849. Australia. Kalgoorlie, known for its super pit, one of the largest open-pit gold mines. The largest gold deposit in the United States is known to be located in northeastern Nevada. Large companies use a large metal detector that flies through the air.
It emits a pulse strong enough to detect magnetized sand and all the elements that accompany it at a depth of many hundreds of meters underground. Barrick Gold, the world's largest multinational mining company.
It has an underground mine and another open-pit mine that is more than 80 meters wide and 450 meters deep.
The modern method of extracting gold involves blasting around 6 tons of gold-bearing limestone daily.
But before exploiting the rock, they drill holes and place the explosive, which is usually a mixture of ammonium nitrate and fuel aggregate.
They use between 700 and 900 tons of ammonium nitrate per trip, 600,000 tons of crushed rock.
And in a single mineral you can find up to 3 grams of gold.
Gold is one of the few metals that does not rust or corrode. This chemical property, along with its brilliance and beauty, is one of the reasons why gold has been so valued throughout history and is frequently used in the manufacture of decorative objects and coins.
Currently, gold is at a cost of around $74 per gram and miners are sparing no effort. It is the largest operation in the world and, at more than $20 million, also the most expensive. The underground mine. That is where there is gold by the ton that cannot be collected through open-pit mining.
So people go underground, which is much more expensive and dangerous. Half a kilometer of descent into strange, dark air into an 80-kilometer-long labyrinth of tunnels.
The average temperature at this depth is 60 degrees. The mine has one of the largest air conditioning systems in the world.
In the underground mine, the same process is applied as in the open pit mine. First, the explosion, Then the shovels dig the nugget, and the sifted rock falls into the truck until it is full. The truck transports the nugget to the surface where it is processed.
Each ingot weighs 25 kilograms. But to extract it, miners are required to process up to 8,200 tons of rock. Each ingot is the size of a brick and is worth more than $1 million. The gold salvaged from the open pit mine and underground mine is placed in the pouring room.
The rock and water are heated to 224 degrees in a large chamber. They introduce refined oxygen, and by applying a lot of pressure, the crust comes off and the gold breaks.
Approximately 26 tons are extracted from this gold mine in a year, with a value of more than $1 billion. Now this gold will go to a refinery and will be completely purified. The gold is purified and polished in the last step.
Then the casting takes place. It is heated to approximately 1,100 degrees Celsius with 90% pure gold. The step concludes with stamping the ingots with the purity content. If you liked it, subscribe for more information like this. Thanks and see you later.